Introducing the air fry cooking mode. Preheating is not required when using the air fry mode. It uses very little oil when cooking your favorite convenience foods. Single air rack frying works best. Move one rack to the lowest position to hold the drip tray. Line a baking pan with aluminum foil or parchment paper for easy cleanup. Use an LG Airfry Tray for optimum performance. LG Airfry Tray sold separately. The LG Airfry Tray is optimized for the LG range. It is dishwasher safe for easier cleanup. If you do not have an LG Airfry Tray, use a broiling pan or foil-lined cookie sheet. Put some fries or your preferred frozen food onto the LG Airfry Tray and spread evenly in a single layer. Place the lined baking tray on the bottom rack. Place the LG Airfry Tray or broiler grid pan with the french fries on rack position 4 to promote the best circulation of hot air around the food. Press the air fry mode button. Set the temperature or use the air fry mode's default temperature setting, also 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then press start. Press the timer button. Set the time using the numeric keypad, and press timer again to begin the countdown. Here are some helpful tips when using the air fry mode. Most prepared frozen food items will cook faster when using the air fry mode than what is stated on the package. When using air fry mode, set a cooking time that is a bit shorter than the time recommended on the frozen food package. Check the food often and adjust the cooking time as needed. Use a food thermometer to make sure food reaches a safe internal temperature for consumption. Food thermometer sold separately. Place the LG Airfry Tray onto a heat-resistant surface and serve. Here are some helpful tips to reduce oven smoke. Refer to the Air Fry Cook Guide in the oven's manual for details on cooking temperatures and recommended foods for air frying. High-fat foods such as skin on chicken wings, bacon, and sausage can cause smoke when using the air fry mode. Be sure to add parchment paper or aluminum foil to the baking tray. Turn your exhaust fan on at the high setting before and after using the air fry mode. Open a window or door to ensure the cooking area is well ventilated. Use the convection roast mode if the smoke is excessive.